In today's video, I am going to be demonstrating some quick tricks using pivot tables and histograms that will help you improve the way you do your quantitative analysis of your numerical data. These tricks will help you boost your productivity and accelerate your data analysis task. For this video, I am going to be using the same dataset that I have used in my online Excel series. I will be leaving a link in the description. So you can please download and you can follow along. I'll also be leaving a link to my online Excel series in case you want to follow along. I'm using an older version of Excel for this demonstration because I want everyone to be able to learn these tricks irrespective of the version of Excel they are working with. And I want it to be accessible to anyone who wants to learn these quick tricks for doing data analysis in Excel. So let's take a look in this here. I've loaded the data set into my Excel worksheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a pivot table. Let's say insert pivot table. Insert this. And all of these features that are going to be used in this demo are going to be available in all the versions of Excel right from Excel 2007 because I'm using the 2007 version. So if you're following along with 2007 and above versions of Excel, you should be able to do these tricks. So let's take a look. I've added the pivot table. Now I want to do the quantitative analysis of the annual salary. So how do I do that? I drag the annual salary into the row labels and I drag the annual salary into the values. I just need to change this to the count. So I'll go to the value field setting and change it to a count. So right now it shows me the count of each individual salary, how much time it exists. But this information is not too useful for me for my quantitative analysis, so I need to group this. So this by this quick click I can group it, and these are the groups that we create by 10,000 right now. So you can see it has created this nice groups and show me how many salary ranges fall within this each group. If I want to narrow down the group, I can play around with that depending on the kind of analysis I need to do. Let's say I put it by 20,000. So now it has given each group with a gap of 20,000. So 20,000 is the bucket size. From this, I can quickly generate my histogram. If you're not familiar, here a histogram is used to quickly analyze your numerical data. And if you want me to make a series on histogram, do let me know. Okay, so quickly you can see I get my histogram. Okay, and now I just need to do a little formatting to improve its readability. So let's say I hit Ctrl 1. Okay, now what I need to do is I click on this and I make the gap width as 0. So it will appear like the actual histogram. And you can see that, right? I'll hit Ctrl 1 again and just change the border and make it as solid line and make it black so you can quickly see the histogram. It looks very neat now. I'll do some formatting changes to make it more readable. I'll just remove the grid lines. I'll add some data labels on the outside end so you can see the ranges. I don't need the legend. I'm going to remove the legend. I'm going to change the title as distribution of salary. Another way to analyze histogram or to analyze quantitative data is a box and whiskers plot. I made a video on that as well. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to analyze that. So quickly you can see this histogram quickly explains to me about the data. I'll just format this as well and change the alignment to vertical. Nicely you can see now the salary range from 40,063 to 60,062. There are 136 people getting the salary. People from 60,063 to 80,060, there are around 201 people getting the salary, and so on and so forth in different buckets. With the people, 203 people are having the salary from 80,063 to 1,62,000. So you can quickly see how my data is distributed. Okay, and you can also see that the data is distributed towards the left side. That means it has a long right tail where your data is skewed to the right, and that means most of the people or the employees are getting a lower salary. So this will help you analyze your annual salary distribution and what are the kind of distribution of your of the salaries of your employees. It can help you make quick business decisions, right? And another cool feature I would like to show now, how you can add some dynamicity to this analysis. So I just add the department column here. Now it just gives you the filter. Okay, in the later version of Excel, I could achieve this using slicers, but since I'm using 2007 Excel, slices are not there because, as I mentioned, I want to be able to demonstrate these cool features so that anyone can follow along in any version of Excel. Okay? So I select multiple items and you can see, okay, that will show me all the items. Now if I want to do any analysis on any individual department, you can see I can get the analysis of the distribution of the salary for IT department. If I want to add multiple departments, I can get that, and this will help me analyze my data in a dynamic manner. And then if I want to analyze again all the data, I can analyze. So it can help me take cluster decisions with regards to my salary distribution of the employees in different departments as well as on a whole. If you want me to make a video on understanding of a histogram, do let me know. I'll leave a comment in down below. I'll make a video on that as well. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks on analytics that I'll be leaving in my channel to my different videos and shorts, and I'll also leave a link to the various series on analytics and machine learning that I've made. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on any other videos you want me to make. Thank you.